What the fuck are you doing? You can't go over a dead tree?
I think you can go over. Ready? Look at it, go over. No. Yeah, get over. There you go.
You can't drive over that. Oh my god.
I think your phone just bounced. That was the wall.
Why are you stopping? Go.
Because he saunts it.
He doesn't want to get his girlfriend's truck all dirty.
I forgot he's got like no ground clearance.
Well, yeah, he's got fucking.
And that's trail rated?
Go! You not know how to drive off-road?
You just go up the
Let's go up to an obstacle and slow down.
Yeah. It's like seeing a kid in the road and trying to stop.
Could drive over that rock once he's out of the way.
Yeah. Emphasis on him.
If I get stuck where Jeep Liberty doesn't, you have the permission to fucking kill me.
Just go to the left and go in front of him. Fuck it. Ride or die, bitch!
Shade.
Dismount! Dismount, everyone out. Everyone out.
Exit the vehicle.
Exit the vehicle.
Do I turn it off?
No.
Exit the vehicle.
Just need less weight. Kind of hairy.
They're lying, we're killing you.
No, yeah, I'm not lying. We didn't come here to kill you, and this is our car now. How does it feel? What?
Seth, you're just gonna back up in here?
Yeah. Hold that. Bevan, are you going mud or rocks? Okay.
What?
Yo.
Roll up the windows.
Yeah, roll up the windows.
Yeah, roll up the windows.
It's okay, you can close your eyes. I got a video for it.
I'm a mechanic, I fix stuff.
And we're making a problem to fix.
Don't mess up my car.
Hey, you can sue Jeep. They say it's trail rated. And this is a trail.
Yeah, but I can't tell them
Hey,
what
I
I
actually did a
did.
pretty
This
good
is
job of
illegal.
writing on your car.
What'd you write?
Come dump.
Well, you should put come dumb too. Is he really stuck there?
Holy shit!
Move. I'd move. Let's play a quick game of. I love how he has a problem backing up. You gotta.
Gun it!
Remember, you gotta gun it. You gotta gun it.
So go slow you down. Hey,
What?
get up front with the GoPros.
Go, go, go.
What? Don't stop.
Oh! You did it, you little hobbit bastard!
Front's pretty bad. Front's covered in mud.
That's not even too bad. That's virgin
Oh
mud.
yeah, that's good.
Oh my god.
Seth's got a free car wash waiting for him.
Yeah. Seth worked at a car wash for like a week and a half. We gotta go back to the other car. Go! Don't stop either.
Go, go.
You gotta go fast.
Yeah.
Left, left, left. I'd catch a ride if you guys were walking. You're gonna be fine.
Do I have to drive both fucking cars? Not here, dude.
Honestly, can I drive one car?
If I go high, I mean, if I got high. Just go high, straddle the fucking rut, you idiot. I don't know about that one, though. Where you're standing, where he's standing.
Then there's a tree.
You turn before you hit the tree.
Are you fucking?
This is. Have you guys never been off the road?
Yeah, and then you go directly
You
into
damn
fucking
white
rut.
city folk.
Yeah.
But look at this. Now you're coming this way, right? You end up here, and I got a high center here. No. Wheel. Up.
Okay. Well, you have a real Jeep right behind you.
Yeah, exactly.
If anything, we'll just push you.
Yeah.
Oh well.
This turned into a hike.
When Bevan turned into a pussy.
No. I don't want to ruin her car.
Yeah,
Trigger,
don't
trigger.
let car go through there.
Yeah,
You just don't have faith.
What?
You don't have faith.
Yeah, honestly, just straddle the rut.
Go.
Hug the left.
You gotta go a little faster.
Oh, it's going.
When you stop, you're gonna get stuck.
Go to the left.
What?
Your other left. I am going left. What's the hole?
You gotta go here. Go. Stay to the left.
Commit. Now he's in the hole.
You gotta commit. It's your problem, Bevan.
Stop.
It's a little late now.
You have commitment issues.
See, this is like Woods therapy. We're finding out all your issues. No, yes, just go. Commit.
Fucking commit.
The tree's gonna move out of your way. It's like a little school child.
Go.
Commit.
Go.
Go.
Don't stop. Go.
I feel like all they can hear from Miles is
stupid now, huh?
Oh my fucking Christ. Does he have a fucking
we gotta go get
bloody
your
cunt?
Jeep. Come on, we gotta go get your Jeep.
God, does he have a bloody cunt?
Honestly.
He's just gonna drive into the same hole and realize that he doesn't have enough tires.
Okay, everyone, remount in your car and let's fucking go find the other Jeep.
Oh my fucking Christ. Holy shit, it's way the fuck back there.
I know, let's go. We gotta go. You think Bevan got some confidence?
Like, see, this is fun. Walking this bullshit isn't.
Yeah. I kind of blame that on Bevan though.
Oh, it's 100% better.
Oh, okay, so we're...
This is fantastic. It's definitely a core workout trying to stay still.
Don't stop. I feel like we can turn her car into an off-road car though. Why don't we make her part of the clan?
Go!
Oh my god.
That's way too hot for the car.
Are you kidding me?
I can't do that.
You can't do that.
No.
How small is your penis? Is it inverted now? You say?
Have micro dick. There's no way. There's no way what? I get over that.
What is that? There's nothing there.
Get the fuck out of the motherfucking car. Alright, if you want to do it, it's up to you.
I got my license on me.
You can do it. You go for it. You go for it. Here, take the light, micro penis. You fucking do it. I want to see this.
This car.
I want to see this.
Holy
Now that we've
fuck,
added
you short bastard!
Now we've added 250 pounds to the car. Well, no, I'm 150.
Jeez.
That's how she sits, not me.
That was a froggy.
Good luck.
Where's the fucking e-brake? It's on the floor.
4 on the floor. Yeah, it's not. That's not happening. That's actually not happening. That's not happening.
The fat asses might want to dismount.
No, not happening. Not happening.
I got a
I
micro
don't want to
dick.
do it.
Someone should drive that one up.
I'll get it.
No, I'll get it.
Okay.
Let's roll.
Okay, light.
You take it. Wait, I can't see where I'm going. Turn the car around.
Yeah, I don't know where the lights are. Where are the lights? I can't see shit. Open the back door. Where are the lights? Lights? Lights.
Put the lights on. I can't fucking
I don't know where the lights are.
No.
The lights, there we go.
Alright.
Where's the shifter? Oh.
Is it in 4x? He's driving that. Okay. Shane, you gotta go for it. Oh shit. Oh, dick. Go. You gotta go. Oh! Oh! Now!
Ride her down!
Oh shit! Shane! Why did we take this car instead of that fucking piece of shit? Only to die in that fucking movie. Fuck this shit! Why did I drive? Why did I? Why did Kylie, move! Move!
I'd move!
Ow! Fuck!
Hop in!
Get a car!
Kylie, you're
We
gonna
good?
want to sit like this.
Ah!
Brace for impact! Oh shit! Fuck!
Ah, my elbow.
Go wide! Oh no, okay, alright. Oh, fuck. Oh yeah. Oh, you can do it, you little micro penis! Come on, micro penis, come on!
The horn.
Honk the horn at him. Micro penis!
Micro penis!
He can't get out.
What?
The truck off.
We just need 4 with that.
That's park, right?
Come on, micro penis. Yeah, you do have a fucking micro penis.
Kevin, you need to get it.
Run or die! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I can't see! That's a boulder! Am I driving?
Okay, you're driving. Hang on, let me get a light, Come on.
Oh yeah!
Shut up, bitchy!
Shut her!
Shane, he doesn't want you driving.
You can do it.
Slow.
You say he wants to kill his family?
He said you break his tail and he's gonna kill you.
Run or die!
Yeah.
Stop.
Whoa!
Park it. Shut it off. Let it cool.
Yeah, I'm getting out because I need to cool.
Yeah,
off.
it's hot as shit in here.
I'm fucking. Oh yeah. Sure.
Closed door, ride or die.
Yo, go over the straight path.
No, that's too skinny.
Yeah, it's too skinny up there.
You don't need mirrors.
No, like-
he has wide tires. Oh, fucking hell. Hey, is that Jane gentle?
It still runs. That's the only thing he cares about. Is your window open?
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
The sketchy part is coming down. Actually, probably not the one.
Wait, what's coming down?
The exact same.
When you stop.
I meant like we're coming down?
Mm-hmm.
I thought this is where we're killing all them and then
Yeah, but we have to still go down.
I thought we were gonna jump off the mountain like weasels or whatever those
Die.
things are that.
Lemmings. There's another tree he's going to hit.
Oh, he actually like put that wheel through there pretty perfectly.
He did.
For those 2 rocks.
He's good. We didn't. It's fucking. Oh, it's back on.
We turned the Alpine off.
How the fuck that happened?
I don't know. You want to turn some music on?
No, because it'll turn off.
Some copyright-free music?
Copyright fee music. Right on the left.
No. Left's going to west side.
Let's go left side. I like that tree.
We reversing?
No, he's going
Yep.
left. I guess he's going left.
Look behind us because I can't
Oh,
see.
I can't see shit either. Oh,
Good. Stop.
I'm holding the brakes all the way down.
I guess we're going left.
Or guess we're going left. Or
Or is he going left?
I don't-
He's turning around.
what? Straight. But you go to the right. You go to the right.
I don't know what. No!
We're going that way. No. Follow us. You want to follow us? Yeah. Okay. Ready for a right knuckle?
Shame, you gotta make sure you get the brakes on. Is this a downhill I'm looking like?
No, we're taking we're going now.
Well, this looks like a downhill to me. Get the brakes ready.
Yeah, that's just a cliff.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, that's. Be careful with that one, Shane. Yeah. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, oh, oh. Right.
Yep.
Yeah. Because white is right is right.
Oh. Okay.
Whatever, take it.
Oh.
What's that?
A tree.
Oh. Fuck.
We didn't hit it though.
It was a fallen tree.
The wheels aren't turning.
Oh, that's what it was.
That's bad.
Oh, the fucking.
You broke his rack.
Give him your rack. You got enough.
No, wait a second. Hang on.
Alright, turn the car off.
Yeah. Well, no. Keep turn. Hey, turn the wheels. Turn on. Turn the wheels.
Alright.
Hold up. Turn the wheels.
They don't.
Yep.
They don't turn.
1 hour earlier!
If I get stuck where Jeep Liberty doesn't, you have the permission to fucking kill me.